Hello, my name is Sulayman and today we're opening this phone.
What's it called?
N1 N10. Yeah.
It's an N10 phone that belongs to the company of OnePlus.
Yeah. Now let's open it. Careful, don't want to drop.
That is the...
Manual.
Yes, very good.
Let's open the manual and what's inside. There's another manual. There's so many manuals. Books. And here's the phone. It looks very beautiful. Let's open it up. I don't know how to open it, but okay. The color is blue. Let's see what's...
It doesn't turn on, Suleiman. It's black.
It's black. It's kind of black and it has this. And let's see what's inside. All inside. Oh, it's a protector.
Yes.
And there's a charger. And there's another charger. And look what's inside. And the manual says... Inside here. It's another part. And what does this do? A charger? What's in here? It says, you don't want to know, you don't want to know, you don't want to know, you don't know what to do. And this is not my phone. This is somebody else's phone.
This is Dad's phone. This is full of the legal notices and informations. It tells you teasers about the product.
Here's the color of the phone. Isn't it beautiful?
Shirman, tell them about the secret fingerprint on the back.
Oh, the secret finger is right here.
Very good.
And then you have to put. It opens. Now it opens.
Good. Is that all?
Yes.